What is the Uniform Conservation Easement Act? Have you ever wondered how landowners can protect their property while also benefiting from tax savings? The answer lies in the Uniform Conservation Easement Act. This model law was created to provide a consistent legal framework for conservation easements across various states. Conservation easements are legal agreements that restrict how land can be used, aiming to preserve its natural, historic, or open space values. The Uniform Conservation Easement Act standardizes the process for creating, transferring, and enforcing these easements. This means that they are recognized as valid and legally binding interests in real property. Landowners can voluntarily impose restrictions on their property to maintain conservation values without facing common law obstacles that could invalidate those restrictions. One of the key features of the Act is that these easements are durable. They are binding not only on the original parties but also on future owners of the land. This ensures that conservation easements run with the land, providing long-term protection even as ownership changes. From an estate planning perspective, particularly in the context of estate tax planning, the Uniform Conservation Easement Act plays a significant role. Conservation easements can be a strategic tool to minimize estate taxes. By restricting development rights, the easement can lower the fair market value of the property. This reduction may lead to a decrease in estate tax liability when the landowner passes away. The Act ensures that these easements are legally enforceable, which is essential for acceptance by tax authorities and courts. Another important aspect of the Uniform Conservation Easement Act is that it clarifies that conservation easements do not need to be attached to another interest in real property to be valid. This increases flexibility in how these easements can be structured. The Act also allows for the imposition of affirmative duties on the easement holder to maintain or protect the property. This is vital for ensuring that conservation goals are met over time. For estate planners and elder law attorneys, the Uniform Conservation Easement Act provides a reliable legal foundation. It allows them to advise clients who wish to incorporate conservation easements into their estate and tax planning. This helps ensure that the easements will be respected by successors and that the intended conservation and tax benefits will be preserved. In summary, the Uniform Conservation Easement Act is a standardized legal framework that facilitates the creation, enforcement, and longevity of conservation easements. This makes them a useful tool in estate planning, helping to protect land and potentially reduce estate taxes.